Hey everyone, welcome to my first video on my new YouTube channel, Grooming with Cat. I have been grooming now for 6 years and I'm completely self-taught. Today I'm grooming Sonny, who is a Collie Poodle and one of the friendliest dogs I groom. He's also one of the biggest dogs I groom, but fortunately I enjoy heavy lifting. I checked his ears and they're a little bit dirty, so I put some cleaner in to help soften the wax. I give the ear canal a good squidge to disperse the cleaner, and Sonny appreciates the massage. Okay, let's get bathing. After 2 washes and a thorough rinse, Sonny decides it's time for my shower now. Luckily I am prepared. I give him a good rub down with a towel so that it's less time for the blaster dryer. Everyone gets a happy hoodie to help reduce the noise from the dryer and soak up a bit more water from the face and ears. I'm also using a fast dry spray on his coat, again to reduce blaster time. I always start with their feet on low power to allow the dryer to warm up, but also to check for any mats in his pads or between his toes.
I normally do the nails before this point, but he has really tiny nails, so if I did them, I would end up making them bleed. So we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that.
I find most dogs tolerate their nails and paw pads being done by gently bending back their paw, rather than stretching it out forwards, but to be honest, Sonny is so chill, he would probably let me do it either way.
This is absolutely the best brush in the world, by the way. It is the Chris Christensen Coral Slicker, and it's absolutely amazing for curly dogs. It gets out any tangles within reason. Although Sonny is well brushed at home, so he doesn't actually have any tangles. Today, anyway. Obviously, if there's massive knots, it's not going to get those out. But the little ones, it's really, really good. But it does completely depend on the dog's tolerance as well. So obviously, if this dog was absolutely hating it, then I'd just go through with my scissors and cut them out instead. But he's such a good boy. And it's really gentle. You know, like if you use a tangle teaser in your own hair, you can feel it pulling a little bit, but it doesn't hurt like if you were doing it with like a comb or a brush. Right, so let's get clipping. So I normally use a green comb attachment on him, which is 22mm, but for his last groom I was on maternity, so he went to a different groomer's and his owner said they took him a lot shorter, so let's see if this actually takes any off. Skim it a little bit off. It'll neaten him up at least. literally cannot get a better behaved dog than this. Like, they're normally pulling their feet back, sometimes jumping around the table, but no, Sonny's just like, here, have my leg.
I go over the coat with the clippers multiple times until it's not taking any more fur off, because I'm a perfectionist and will not accept a single hair out of place. I recently invested in some new scissors and they are an absolute game changer for my grooms. If you're a groomer, I definitely recommend checking out sharper edges. Even though I've already used the comb attachment on his legs, I'm going over them again with the scissors to give them a perfect finish. When I first started grooming, I did very basic cuts and I had basically no scissor skills. I learnt by watching other people's YouTube videos and just practicing, and also upgrading my equipment. I never thought I'd get to where I am now. I was just a hobby groomer alongside a full-time job. But now I'm a full-time groomer with my own little business. Yay for me! Okay, let's give Sonny some vision. I'm going over him with a comb just to remove any loose bits of fur. And then giving him a spritz of perfume so he smells beautiful.
And we're all done, Sonny boy! Yay! Oh, he's the bestest doggy, yes he is.
If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, bye for now!